Hello everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal. This is the lecture of arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions, and harmonic progressions chapter. Uh, we have to discuss questions in this lecture, and here on your screen you can see the questions. If you can't see this video properly, then please switch to SD mode, or you can download it for later. And to drop any kind of feedback, please WhatsApp on 8294600829 or just comment on this video if you have any feedback. Okay, so the nth element of the sequence 1357 is, you have formula also to answer this question, but this is the odd number sequence, and I will suggest you to remember that odd number sequence is defined by 2n minus 1. Odd number sequence starting from 1, if starting from 1, then it is defined by 2n minus 1. Okay, the nth element of the sequence minus 1 2 minus 4 8 is, uh, let us see, t1 is equal to minus 1, t2 is equal to t2 is equal to plus 2, t3 is equal to minus 4, t4 is equal to 8, t5 will be minus 16 obviously. So it is alternate minus. Whenever there is alternate minus, then it is minus 1 raised to the power something. It may be n or n minus 1. Let us put minus 1 raised to the power 1, it will give minus 1, okay, into 2 raised to the power 0. Can we write this? Yes, because 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, sir, why are you writing like this? Please give me a few seconds, then I'll show you why I'm writing like this. Minus 1 raised to the power 2, what will this be equal to? It will be 1 into 2 raised to the power 1. It is 2 into 1, that is 2, correct? Minus 1 raised to the power 3, minus again, and 2 raised to the power 2. See, the power is increasing, 0, 1, 2, and here 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now minus 1 raised to the power 4 times 2 raised to the power 3, then minus 1 raised to the power 5 times 2 raised to the power 4. So when there is 1, here is 0. When there is 2, it is 1. When there is 3, it is 2. When 4, it is 3. When 5, it is 4. So when n, it will be n minus 1. So first option is correct. Minus 1 raised to the power n times 2 raised to the power n minus 1. See this symbol sigma. This sigma has a specific meaning. Sigma means sum from this to that. What is this and what is that? Let me tell you. Uh, I is equal to 427. We read it like that. Sum of this thing when I is equal to 4 to 7. 4 to 7 means you have to start from 4 and go up to 7. So 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1, that is 7. So root 7 plus what comes after 4? 5. So 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 1, that is 9. So root over 9. Then 6. 2 6 are 12 minus 1, that is 11. And then 2 7 is 14 minus 1, that is 13. So this is our answer A. Minus 5, 25, minus 125, 625 can be written as, so it is minus 1 to the power n into 5 to the power n also. So both to the power n, so minus 5 to the power n. Okay. Can be written as, uh, it must ask like this, sum of, because in the answer, in the options everywhere there is sum. Okay, so it must ask about sum. Some of this can be written as, okay, some of this can be written as, you have already found Tn, so where you can see this, minus 5 to the power minus 5. Okay, minus 5 must be in bracket because n is over both. N is over both. N power is over both minus 1 and 5 both. Okay, so minus 5 to the power n, minus 5 to the power n. So in which option you can see that? See here, minus 5 to the power k, you can call it k or you can call it n, you can call it I, whatever you wish. So k from 1 to infinity, because number of terms is not given, so option A is correct. Okay, the first three terms of sequence, see, nothing can be more simple than this question. Question number 5, Tn is equal to n square minus 2n. Tn is equal to n square minus 2n. So T1 will be equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1, that is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. T2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 4, that is 0. T3 will be equal to 3 square minus 2 into 3, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 6, that is 3. So minus 1, 0 and 3 are the first three terms of the sequence. Okay, now we move to question number 6. Which term of the progression, uh, see, we have formula also, but what I do, because this particular question is easy, so what I do is that I simply count it on fingers, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9, and I go up to minus 39 and I figure it out that it is 20th term. And you have formula also, so Tn is equal to minus 39. You can clearly see that it is an AP, and first term is minus 1, A is minus 1, D, that is common difference, that is minus 2, D is T2 minus T1, that is minus 2. So now we have A and D both. When we apply the formula of T1 Tn, when we apply the formula of Tn, we find n is equal to 20, so it is 28th term. The value of x such that this will form an AP. This is an AP. This is an AP. A, B, C are in AP. A, B, C are in AP. What I told you in the lecture videos of the progressions chapter. Remember what I told you every time. Remember what I repeated many times. A, B, C are in AP. That means 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. So 2 times 6x minus 2 is equal to 8x plus 4 plus 2x plus 7. So 12x minus 4 is equal to 10x plus 11. So 2x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 upon 2. X is equal to 15 upon 2. C is the correct answer. Mth term of an AP is n and nth term is m. The rth term of it is. I will tell the solution of this question you right now, but I must tell you this question is repeated many times and it takes a little bit of your time, which is important for you if you are giving an objective paper, and obviously the maths paper is objective in all our listed courses, CA Foundation or CPT or CAT or SSC or MAT, whatever. So this question we can remember. Okay, this question we can remember that the answer is m plus n minus r, but I will tell you the solution also. First of all, we must remember that we have a formula, Tm minus Tn is equal to d times m minus n. Okay, Tm minus Tn is equal to d times m minus n. We must remember this. So now we have the question, Tm is n and Tn is m. Okay, Tm is n and Tn is m. Tm is equal to n, Tn is equal to m. So what will Tm minus Tn? We have the formula d times m minus n. That means n minus m is equal to d times m minus n. D will be equal to n minus m upon m minus n, that is minus 1. We have d now in our hands. Now Tm is equal to n, we write it again. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 times d, sorry, a plus m minus Tm, it is Tm, so a plus m minus 1 times d is n. A plus m minus 1 times minus 1 is n. A minus m plus 1 is n. A is equal to m plus n minus 1. A is equal to m plus n minus 1, d is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find TR. TR is equal to a plus r minus 1 into d. Okay, we have d, we have a. We put it here, a m plus n minus 1 plus r minus 1 times d. What is d? Minus 1. M plus n minus 1 minus r plus 1. M plus n minus r. Okay, so m plus n minus r is our correct answer. The number of terms of the series, this will amount to 155. See, what is this? 10, 9 3s are 27 and 2 29. So 10, 29 by 3, 28 by 3, 27 by 3. That means it is 9. So it can be written 27 by, and 10, 10 can be written 30 by 3. So A is 10. D is, it is decreasing, so minus 1 by 3. D is minus 1 by 3. Uh, it is asking for n, and sum is given as 155. Okay, the formula is, let me list the information from the question once again. A is equal to 10, D is equal to minus 1 by 3, n is what? S is 155. Okay, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. 155 is equal to n upon 2. 2a is 20. 2a is 20 plus n minus 1 times d. What is d? Minus 1 by 3. 310 is equal to n times 20 minus n by 3 plus 1 by 3. 930. We multiply the whole equation by 3. That means n plus 60 plus 61 minus n. N square minus 61n plus 930 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 30 or 31. So the students ask that, sir, the answer must be 30 and 31 both, but answer is given in the book as 30 only. Why so? It is because it is asking for the number of terms which will amount to this. That means the number of terms required whose sum will be equal to this. When we have already achieved the sum of 155 up to 38th term, then why should we go on 31st term? Okay, sir, how can it be possible that sum of 30 terms is 155 and sum of 31 terms is also 155? Because, my dear, 31st term is 0, so it doesn't affect the sum at all. Okay, so the answer is 30. Whenever you come across situation like this, you have to pick this smaller answer. Okay, the n term of series whose sum to n terms. See, you must remember, I told you, I taught you this in lecture, that whenever sum of AP is written as Pn square plus Qn, whenever sum of AP is written as Pn square plus Qn, then first term A is 5n square plus 2n, so 5 plus 2, that is 7, and D will be simply double of this, 5 2s are 10. So we have A and D already in our hand. Now it is asking for Tn, nth term. Now it is asking for Tn. We already have A is equal to 7, D is equal to 10. It is asking for Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. That is 7 plus n minus 1 times 10. 7 plus 10n minus 10. That is 10n minus 3. Okay, so 10n minus 3 is our correct answer. 28th term of progression 1, 4, 7, 10. We can simply count it on finger, or you can do A is 1, D is 3, N is 20. So 28th term we have to find. Okay. Mm. So it will be 58. A plus 19D. 19 3s are 57 and 1, that is 58. The last term of the series 5, 7, 9 to 21 terms. Last term of the series to 21 terms. We can count it on fingers also: 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45. So 45 is the correct answer. Okay. The last term of AP, this to 13 terms. You can see it is table of 6, 6, 12, 18 and so on. So 13, 6 is 78, and applying decimal as per the given situation 7.8 is the correct answer. We can simply see it and answer. We have to save time because we are in a competitive age, and situation the competitions are getting tougher day by day, so we have to save time everywhere we can. Okay, the sum of the series 951 to 100 terms is sum of the series. Okay, we can't apply shortcut here. Sum of the series to 100 terms. Okay, sum of the series to 100 terms. What is this? It is AP because minus 4, then again minus 4, so it is AP. First term is 9, A is equal to 9, D is equal to minus 4, N is equal to 100, Sn is equal to N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, Sn is equal to, let me write it clearly here, A is equal to, A is equal to 9, D is equal to minus 4, N is equal to 100, Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, so 100 upon 2, 9 2s are 18, plus N minus 1 times, that is 99 times D, that is minus 4. So 50 into 18 minus 396, 50 into, it is 7200 minus 72, so that is 7128. Okay, sorry, and that 50 into, it is 88 minus 370. Okay, minus 50 into 378. Okay, so 18900 with a minus sign. Minus 18900 is the required sum. The two arithmetic means between minus 6 and 14. The two arithmetic means between minus 6 and 14. From the options we can see, we have to have 3 in the denominator. Let us write things like this. Let us write it like this: minus 6 dash dash and 14. Okay, two arithmetic means. And seeing the options, we can write minus 6 again as minus 18 upon 3, and we can write this like that, 42 by 3. Okay, now if we see this option, then it is what? 2 upon 3 and 22 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 22 upon 3. You can see plus 20 by 3, plus 20 by 3 and plus 20 by 3. It is the correct answer. Whenever it asks about arithmetic means between two numbers, nothing is better than options. But when it comes to cat and non-MCQ questions are there, then we have to know the proper method of finding arithmetic means between two numbers. So let us discuss inserting an arithmetic means between two numbers. Okay. Sir, what is the meaning of an arithmetic means between two numbers? You have to simply understand this. See, this is the first number, this is the second number. We are inserting, see, two arithmetic means between these numbers. That simply means that when these numbers are put between these two numbers, then the entire sequence formed, the sequence of these four numbers will be an AP. Suppose we have to insert five numbers between these, then we will have a total of seven numbers, two at the extremes and five at the five arithmetic means inserted. They will collectively form an AP. When arithmetic means are inserted, they form an AP. When geometric mean is inserted, it forms a GP. Okay, that is the basic concept, basic understanding. So now I am telling you the process how to find uh, an arithmetic means between two numbers. So inserting an arithmetic means between two numbers a and b. When you know that you are going to form a sequence, when you know that you are going to form a sequence, that is a progression, that to an arithmetic progression, and you already have the first number a, what do you need? What do you need to build an AP? How many things are there which you need to build an AP? Which are the ingredients for an AP? N, no. L, no. For an AP, we just need A and D. For an AP, we just need A and D. And for the definition of AP, we don't even need A. We only need D. But we have A here. What do we need? We need D. Okay. So we must have a formula for D. We have to insert n arithmetic means between A and B. So we have a formula for D, that D is B minus A upon n plus 1. Okay, so in the given question, minus 6 and 14, this is A, this is B. Two arithmetic means are to be inserted, so n is equal to 2. D will be B minus A, that is 14 minus minus 6, that is 20, by n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3, 20 upon 3. So, first number is minus 6, the number itself, then we add 20 by 3 to this. Minus 6 plus 20 by 3, we get 2 by 3. Okay. Then 2 by 3 plus 20 by 3, we get 22 by 3, that is 7 1 by 3. Then 22 by 3 plus 20 by 3, we get 42 by 3, that is 14, which is a proof that our procedure is correct. Our method is correct, our formula is right, we didn't make a mistake in calculating. Okay. So 2 upon 3 and 7 plus 1 upon 3 are the two arithmetic means to be inserted. When we have to insert three arithmetic means, it will be 4 here, because n plus 1. So the formula for D is B minus A upon n plus 1. You already have A, you just need D. So I am giving you the formula for D, that is B minus A by n plus 1. And very similar formula works for geometric mean also. For to insert n geometric mean between two numbers a and b, you already have a, you need r. So r will be equal to b by a raised to the power 1 by n plus 1. Okay. B by a raised to the power 1 by n plus 1. Sum of three integers in AP. See, these are not in AP. These are not in AP, this is in AP, and this is in AP. And both are the same. 258 and 852 both are same. Their product is 18 and sum is 15. C and D both are correct. And this question can be done with hit and trial also, but when it is talking about three numbers in AP and none of the numbers are given, so we can assume them to be A minus D, A and A plus D. When it says that sum is 15, then you automatically know that the middle term is 5. This is 5. So 5 minus D, 5, and 5 plus D are our three numbers, and we use quadratic equation because when we multiply this it must be equal to 80. There is a quadratic formed in D, and we get D to be plus or minus 3. In any way we get these three numbers, 258 or 852. Okay. Sum of the numbers of an AP, once again similar question. A is equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8, and D is double of this, double of 3, that is 6. We have 8 and 6. Now AP is 8, 14, 20 and 26, that is straight and simple. Number of numbers between 74 and 25556 divisible by 5. Number of numbers between this and this divisible by 5. See, how do you check divisibility by 5? The number must be ending with 5 or 0. So 75, 80, 85 and so on up to what? Up to 25555. 25555. Okay, because we have to take numbers divisible by 5 only. You can see it is an AP because there is a common difference of 5. A is equal to 75, D is equal to 5, Tn is equal to 25555. You have to find n is equal to what, because it is asking for the same. How many numbers are there divisible by 5 between? That means how many numbers are these? Okay. Pth term of an AP is 3p minus 1 by 6. It is very simple. Put value of p 1, 2 and 3 and you get first, second and third term. Then you get D also. Thereafter you can find a sum of n terms of the AP. The arithmetic mean between, it is asking for only one arithmetic mean, that is 55. 33 and 22 is 55 and 55 and 22 is 77. It is the number midway, and it is the number that comes midway between 33 and 77. For arithmetic means between minus 2 and 23, we can simply see that this is not in AP, this is not in AP, this is in AP. When you put minus 2 this side and 23 this side, you can see still the AP is maintained, and common difference is 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. First term is minus 2, thereafter you get 3, 8, 13, 18, and in the end you get 23 back. Okay. Now first term of AP is 14, and sum of the first 5 terms and first 10 terms are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. First term of AP is 14, and sum of first 5 terms and first 10 terms are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. That means A is equal to 14, sum of first 5 terms and sum of first 10 terms are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. That means 5 by 2, 2a plus n minus, that is 5 minus 4d, minus 10 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, that is 9d. We put the value of 2 also, a also. So 5 by 2, 28 plus 4d is equal to minus 10 by 2, 28 plus 9d. 2, 2 is cancelled out, 5 is, okay, this. Now we get 2, 14 and 2. So 14 plus 2d is equal to minus 28 minus 9d. So ln d is equal to 40 minus 42. D is equal to minus 42 by 11. You get A and you get D. You can find anything in the world regarding an AP. Okay. Third term of AP. Third term of AP is to be found out. You can do this. a plus 2d, that is 14 plus minus, okay, minus 84 by 11, okay, 14 minus 84 by 11, 70 by 11 it is. So option A. Sum of a certain number of terms of AP is 52. C. Minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These 9 terms result in 0 sum. After that 10th term, that is 10, and then 12, and then 14, and then 16. It is 10th term, 11th term, 12th term, and 13th term. And these are the terms, and when you take sum of these four numbers, you get 52. So sum of this series up to 13 terms gives you sum 52. You can do this with formula also. A is equal to minus 8, D is equal to 2, N is equal to what? When Sn is equal to 52. We have solved similar question above a few minutes ago. First and last term of an AP are minus 4 and 146. Sum of the terms is 7171. Remember the formula I told you. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So 7171 is equal to n by 2 times A plus L minus 4 plus 146. 7171 is equal to n by 2 times 142. 71101. N is equal to 101. What it is asking for? Number of terms 101. Sum of the series. Okay. First term is 3.5 and common difference is also 3.5. Sum of the series to 17 terms. No question can be more simple than this. So you have the answer of this question also. So this is it for today. These were the questions of arithmetic progressions only. In coming lectures, we will have questions from geometric progression and harmonic progression as well. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any feedback, you can send it us to us over WhatsApp. 8294600829 is my number. If you are already added in our groups, any of our groups, then you have that platform already with you to ask queries. And okay, thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning. Good night.